In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to connect an iPhone to a monitor wirelessly. Wires seem to so last decade, so modern tech is all about wireless connectivity. The thing is, to use this, you will need a monitor or TV that supports AirPlay. AirPlay monitors are rare, though you can get an Apple TV smart box if your monitor or TV doesn't support AirPlay. If you have an Apple or TV AirPlay supported screen, you can follow the steps below wirelessly. 1. Make sure your iPhone and AirPlay display are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your iPhone, launch the app that supports AirPlay. For these instructions, we will use the Apple TV app. Play the content you want to stream on your iPhone. And then look for the AirPlay icon within the app's interface. It's usually located within the media playback controls. Tap on the AirPlay icon and you should see your monitor, TV or Apple TV streaming device listed. Tap on the same name of your AirPlay supported screen. Your content will now be mirrored or streamed onto a larger screen of your monitor or TV. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. You can also use a Chromecast or you can do it with cables. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.